Hey everybody, me and Bobby's going to come out and test our new range. Just got our last few targets put in, got everything painted. He and I is going to take and make a run through just so you guys can kind of see what we got, what we've been working on for about a year. Still got a few more little things to do, put out a few more barricades, but as far as all of our steel targets and our paper targets and stuff, we got a ribbon laid out, got a course of fire. I'm going to kind of walk it through and then we'll go back and do some filming and show you what we'll do. But our shooter will start over in this area, run over to here, got an option, shoot right through here, engage that one, that one, that one, or peep around and get them. Then he's got to move on to this series of steel targets. When that one is done, this target has got to be engaged on the move till about here. And then when you hit the steel, the one laying on the ground will pull up and it'll reveal a silhouette target that will only stay there momentarily before you put some rounds on it. So once that one falls, that takes 3 shots. You're going to move over to this 8-station plate rack, clear them out. Somewhere in there is going to have to be a reload, probably starting fresh there. Bam, bam. You have one more coming here that does the same as that one. And I would assume we would engage it from this pole right here, Bobby. Is this right? Okay, straight on. So one shot on the steel, silhouette flops up, looks just like a blue one. You got to put 2 on it. Then you have to run over into here, and I guess you got your choice. 2 shots per target. Bam, 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 bam. Finally moving on around. Come up and engage this one. 8-station as well. Gonna have to be a reload before you get a hold of this beast. Now when you shoot that one, the right hand side or the left hand side, they're both balanced. Once you shoot one of the red plates and it falls, the whole thing starts twisting. And so you got 8 on that one. As soon as that one's done, you should be out of a box of shells if you never miss. What do we got? 47 that we had figured up to here. Is that what we had figured? So you got 1 on each target over there?
18, 20, 23, 31, 39. Okay, so yeah. So that's 47. No, it's 40. How many did you say, 39? 39.
So 47 rounds is what we got figured. So if you're going to clear it with a box of shells, you can't miss but 3 times out of all of that. And later, as we get more things developed, we'll move some more stuff around. But this will be an introductory video for the people that hadn't seen this range. We have been working on it diligently for a year now. Moving dirt, cross ties, as you see, to keep things from washing, letting everything settle. Getting our steel. Some things take a while to get. That target over there is custom made out of Salt Lake City, Utah. And that's our last one. Most of these we made. Most of them are just simple fall down armor plate with some regular paper targets in the mix. But we'll have a few more barricades out here where you got to kneel and shoot through a window and some things like that. So there it is. Hit the button?
It's on.
Alright, this is my first time ever to shoot this. Bobby shot it one time a while ago. So I got 20 rounds to clear 8 plates. Now if I don't hit it, it's probably because I'm hungry or I got these boots on. It's something. But here we go. And it's not timed. We're just going to see what happens. Shot, look at that. Freaking 20 rounds to hit that dude.
Good shooting, man. That was good. That was good shooting.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to run through the first portion of it. I'm going to run it semi-slow. Hopefully, I don't miss. So a shooter's going to come around, engage a target. Bam. 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 Walk over.
over to here, you got 3 shots. Now bail. To the plate rack. And that's how you do it. Miss one time out of 20. So what's that?
Running.
Running? Okay. So now this phase, none of this film has been edited at all. So what you see in this video is not clips and cuts put together, make it look like I really know how to shoot. All we've done is hit the pause button, pick back up at a different station. So this is actually true live shooting. Just shot the stand over here, went through the last plate rack. Now I'm going to pick up the fallen silhouette target. Then I'm going to have to run up here and engage 3 silhouette guys, 2 each shot, constantly. So it'll look like this. Up, bam, bam. Come over here. Stand. Bam. Come around. Engage target. That's called shooting. Now, I ain't got enough ammo to compete.
Who went first?
All right, well, here's Bobby. He's going to give it a whirl now. Like I say, there is no editing in this video. All we're doing is hitting the pause and picking right back up. Uh-oh.
Edit this sucker.
I can't edit it. Whatever you do stays. All right, I gotta find out how to zoom that dude out. So you want me to cut it?
Yeah, I gotta reload.
Okay. And then the hard part's gonna kick in. All right, back from a reload. Pulls up, double taps 3 targets. Bam. Coming on over. Oh God, oh God, oh Lord, oh no. You want a spare bullet just to knock it over? That's all you get. Throw it in there and go. Time's ticking. Don't miss. Got it. Okay, here, take these others and fresh your clip up, because you're probably gonna need them. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6.
That's it.
That's it? Not bad then. Okay, here's the beast. You're gonna get a lot of views on YouTube with this one, Bobby. Come on! Good job! That was tough, wasn't it?
Got rounds left too.
Yeah, but I mean, you went like 7 minutes and 49 seconds. That was good.
Go ahead.
Okay, final step. Joseph and Mary. Now I won't read it. Got it right in the mouth. That's that.
Back live.
God dang it!
Blew it.
Blew it. I mean blew it, but look at that. 10 rounds.
How did you get it to sit still for you?
What do you mean sit still?